Okay, we're back from the beach. We're gonna get some Rojs-Fi now.
A lot of
Chloe just asked for Rojs-Fi. Oh, she wants hot tea. You're so old.
my favorite thing here.
I don't know how I feel about it. I don't like it.
I like it.
It looks really baked.
That rice.
That's like the most basic quality.
rice.
Yeah.
That's so crazy. You just want to hurry up.
Wait, that's valid. And then Emily's dad has VIP. This is Emily's dad. I started studying Japanese in middle school actually, but recently as a high schooler it's just been a lot harder to keep up with my studies because there's such like a time crunch. And now that a student from Japan is going to be coming over and living with me for a couple days, I thought it would be a good opportunity to really work on improving my language abilities so that we could have better communication and just like deeper conversations, I guess. And I don't know about you guys, but I find studying off of a textbook to be really unmotivating sometimes. And recently I found the perfect solution to studying Japanese because it's AP season, it's final season. I don't have that much time, but I found a great way to still study. And even when I first got into studying Japanese, I saw a ton of people recommending italki as a great platform. So I was super stoked when they reached out and asked if I would explore their platform. So I met up with a teacher I found, Hiromi Sensei, and we had a couple lessons as well as just some simple conversations. And here are my experiences.
こんにちは。ジアさんですか？
はい。
はい、ひろみです。よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。They have over 30,000 teachers to choose from with various qualifications, experiences, and teaching styles, so there really is something for everyone. So whether you're looking for personalized one-on-one lessons where you can really receive that undivided attention and instant feedback from your teacher, or just some conversation practice with native speakers to practice your skill set on a real-life person and learn like authentic and native expressions that might not come with a textbook, italki truly has it all. So as you can see on the screen, we can filter by lesson category, price, lesson time, and different languages that the teachers can speak. Italki also has an Italki Plus AI feature that is super intuitive and helpful to use. Additionally, they are super flexible, so you can book lessons whenever you're free and learn anywhere. Teachers have different prices, but you pay per lesson, so there's no subscriptions at all, and each user has 3 trial lessons. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, click the link in the description. The first 50 of you can buy $10 of Italki credits and get 5 for free. So thank you so much to italki for sponsoring this portion of the video. Stationery Pal is always just really generous with giving me a lot of freebies, like this cell phone accessory and like these little stuffed teddy bears, and also just these little rubber duckies. I have like a whole collection of these now because of how many that they send me, and just like other little small trinkets. this is the printer, and I think these are just thermal paper rolls. This one says black on clear. I don't know if it shows up. This one says black on clear for the color, and then this one says black on green, purple, orange. So we'll see what that means. And then this printer, I just asked for it in the white color, but there's a lot of color options that will pop up